This is Pipin. This is my day 2. I'm doing keto, as you all guys know. Maybe no, or maybe you don't know. So what I'll be doing is I'll be showing you a recipe of bullet coffee. This is a very interesting coffee that I've had. It's full of calories, full of fat, but it's amazing to do. Tastes amazing. So I'll show you how to do it with like bare minimum things. Let's start. This is my co-working space, and this is my co-working space kitchen. If you guys are somewhere nearby, just drop in for a cup of good espresso or coffee. So I'll make my own coffee. Let me show you how I'll make my decoction or the espresso that is the base for the coffee. You can do it in other ways. I'll explain about that later. Let's see. So what do I need? I already showed you that I made coffee. I have it. I have unsalted butter. I have MCT oil. Let me just show you. Yeah, MCT oil. This is very helpful. I'll tell you the benefits of it later. And then sweetener. Any sweetener will do. I have them in tablet form. If you have it in powdered form, you just add it. It's important. And I have a blender. So this is the blender. I'll be adding at least like 2 cups of espresso for 2 people, or it depends. If you want to drink more, you can drink more. So the thing that you have to keep in mind is it should be hot. If it's not hot, then it won't blend. Otherwise you have to have a room temperature butter, which I don't have. It's super cold, so I had to use. So now I will cut 100 grams. I think 100 grams of butter. I'll put it in the coffee. Yeah, I will keep the butter aside. And what else? I have to add 1 teaspoon of MCT oil. I'll roughly measure it. 1 drop, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, I just added 10 drops. Instead of measuring it in teaspoons, I just added 10 drops. And then sweetener, you see, I have 2 tablets of sweetener that I'll add it inside. And then what else? You have to just blend. Let me switch on the. You can do it in the regular mixie jar. I hope you guys can see it. Okay, it's a new one, so I have to remove the wire to stretch it a bit closer to you guys. Yeah, hold on for a second. Yeah, and then I've locked it. Blend it quite well because it has to be homogeneous. So good if you blend it. Okay, so your coffee is ready. Just remove the things. Let it be because it has pressure. Be careful. You can do it in the regular mixie. I used to do it in the regular mixie. I got this new one just like 2 days before. Let me grab a glass. So I grabbed a glass. You guys can see it. Okay, here is the coffee. One cup for me and 1 cup for my wife. Bit more for her. So here it goes. Good bullet coffee for everyday morning, first thing in the morning. Hey guys, so let me try and tell you how it tastes. So I used without chicory coffee powder and MCT oil and sweetener. It's all over my mustache. Yeah, it tastes amazing. It's very good. It's very good. Every day, first thing in the morning after green coffee, I take this. It helps me for like stabilize the appetite for at least 2-3 hours, and then I start having a meal. I'll show you the other recipes later. Thank you. Hit subscribe button and the bell icon. I don't know, you might be seeing this all in all the videos, but comment if you have any questions or any queries, or just to give me love, or share this video if your friends or family is doing this keto and it helps a lot. See you. Ciao.